How do we solve problems with multiple constraints? Systems of linear equations reveal this beautifully. Picture lines on a graph, intersecting at precise points. Each line represents a unique equation, and their intersections, solutions that satisfy each one. This mathematical dance isn't just numbers. It's a powerful tool for solving real-world challenges. Join us as we decode these systems, exploring the elegance of equations working in harmony. A system of linear equations is a collection of two or more straight-line equations which we analyze together. Here we have two such equations, 2x plus y equals 5 and x minus y equals 1. When plotted, each line represents one equation on a graph. Their intersection point is the solution. This point satisfies both equations simultaneously. Observing this visually allows us to understand where both conditions meet. Imagine a small business deciding how many t-shirts and hats to stock. Two suppliers, each offering their own bundle deals, present a challenge. On the left, we see the constraints. These represent the limitations dictated by each supplier's deal. The goal is to find the optimal order that maximizes efficiency. Moving to the right, we visualize these constraints on a graph. The blue line depicts supplier A's equation, while the green does so for supplier B. Finally, notice where these lines intersect. That's the sweet spot, the solution that satisfies both deals. This graphic elegantly shows how mathematical optimization can guide real-world business decisions. Systems of linear equations are more than abstract math. They're problem-solving tools that guide our decisions. By understanding these systems, we can tackle complex challenges more effectively, finding paths to optimal outcomes. Linear systems empower us to make better choices and shape a smarter world.